Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox Samsung S20 Plus. This is a GSM unlocked, late in spec. Okay, this is the seal over here. Gonna open it with a big knife. Just like that. Manual over here. This is the manual. SIM tool. This one comes with a case. This is lighting spec, so it's different than others than you get from US carriers. This is the phone. Okay, we'll get back to it later. So this is another paper over here. There's nothing. Oh. Then we get wall charger. This is 25 watt, very powerful. This is like for some Latin American countries, for EU, this one. This cable. So this one is USB-C over here, and the cable is both sides USB-C. Okay. These are earphones, again USB-C as well. So AKG earphones. So let's get back to the phone. There's the phone. It's beautiful color. Oh, this color is it's called cloud blue. Just like that. Power button here. Cameras. USB-C here. Doesn't have 3.5 millimeter jack for old earphones, so now everything is USB-C. Okay, so that's the phone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.